It sure was an active night last night. Mother Nature's Aunt Betty came to town and they do not get along. And this was the result of quite a bit of rainfall across southeast Nebraska. Now I had to take out Grand Island, Hastings, and Hebron because when the storms rolled through, it interfered with the sensors. And we had some sensor issues out that way, so I'm not necessarily sure that these are accurate readings. So I just took them out so we can't see them all together. 66 hundredths of an inch in Lincoln, but over an inch in Beatrice, also over an inch in Nebraska City and Falls City. So these are what the airport locations saw, but several inches were likely across much of southeast Nebraska. All these reds here are where the Doppler radar is indicating where perhaps over 2 inches of rain fell, but this is likely an overestimate because we had quite a bit of hail last night, and hail causes these overestimates to occur. But no rain today. A beautiful day. Southeast Community College camera showing some fair weather cumulus clouds, plenty of sunshine. The air feels fantastic. 79 degrees the current air temperature at Lincoln Airport, 78 degrees in Omaha. So we have all 70s across southeast Nebraska at this point in time. Satellite and radar imagery, well, at least the radar imagery doesn't show anything, but the satellite imagery shows these fair weather cumulus clouds. We also see them off towards the north and in extreme northeast Nebraska. We had a couple of showers trying to sneak in, especially in and around the Sioux City area. That's the only region statewide where we saw any glimmer of hope of seeing precipitation, and that looks like it's starting to wane as well. We are watching some more clouds off towards the west, and yeah, they're going to arrive in the overnight hours, so we will have to contend with those starting tomorrow morning. So for tonight, we should be mostly clear for most of the overnight hours, 56 degrees, but those high clouds will arrive. We'll pick up Stormcast at 11 o'clock tonight, and you see those clouds off towards the west, and they're knocking on our doorstep, and they'll likely arrive by the time we get towards the morning commute. I do think there'll be a little bit of sunshine early tomorrow morning, but it'll cloud up as the morning progresses. Now, as we head towards the mid-morning hours tomorrow, I'd say after about 8 a.m. or so, we'll be watching some showers developing in the central part of the state. They'll try to push east. They're going to have a hard time doing so, but we can't rule out maybe a passing shower in the afternoon hours. These will likely be very hit or miss, likely more miss than they are hit. But then tomorrow evening in the central part of the state, we are watching the potential for a few thunderstorms to develop. These may be on the strong to severe side, but I'm thinking the severe threat is mainly going to be in central and south central Nebraska, so out towards Custer County, maybe out towards Greeley, Ord, and towards the Tri-Cities. Lincoln may see some thunderstorm activity tomorrow night, but my bet is the severe weather will remain out west, and that's probably where the heaviest rain will fall as well. So just some scattered storms possible late tomorrow evening. So Storm Prediction Center does not include Lincoln in his severe weather outlook. Again, that is mainly off towards the west. And part of the reason I think this is because that's where most of the instability is going to be. As you go throughout the daytime hours, you see most of the instability out west, some of it trying to sneak in towards the Tri-Cities, and Lincoln is left with, well, not a lot of instability. This is surface-based instability, but Lincoln will have a little bit of elevated instability. That could get some thunderstorms going, but that will reduce our severe weather potential pretty much altogether. So 82 degrees on Thursday, a mix of sun and clouds, but likely some high clouds with us all day long. Late storms possible in Lincoln. Again, the best severe chance tomorrow out west, and it's not going to be anything like we saw last night, more than likely. Dry on Friday appears as of right now, 78 degrees, and mostly dry for the weekend, maybe a pop-up storm on Saturday. And then check out the warm-up by the end of the weekend, back in the 90s by next Monday. And next week, summer-like heat is really with us.
All right.